The morning starts like any other. The sky glows, birds sing, and then the sun flickers. In an instant, its blinding light swells, brighter than a million stars, and then it explodes. The shockwave races through space at unimaginable speed, turning planets into dust. Earth has only minutes before everything we've ever known is vaporized. But what would actually happen if the sun really exploded? One moment, the sun burns steadily at the heart of our solar system, a 4.6 billion-year-old furnace of fire and fusion. The next, it collapses in on itself. Then, boom! A blinding sphere of energy bursts outward, brighter than anything the human eye could ever witness. The sun's outer layers are hurled into space at millions of kilometers per hour, forming a colossal wave of plasma, radiation, and destruction. But here's the terrifying part. We wouldn't know. Not yet. The explosion's light and radiation travel at the speed of light, meaning Earth has exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds before it reaches us. 8 minutes of ignorance. The sky still looks calm. The sun still shines. Life goes on as usual. Traffic, laughter, routine. And then, almost imperceptibly, the light begins to shift. Shadows sharpen. The air seems thicker. Electronics begin to glitch, magnetic fields tremble, and animals sense a change no human can explain. And then, the light hits. A burst so intense, it scorches the upper atmosphere, vaporizing satellites, frying the ozone layer, and setting the sky ablaze in colors no one has ever seen before. Within seconds, communication networks collapse. The night side of Earth is suddenly illuminated, brighter than 1,000 suns. Humanity looks up and realizes it's already too late. The shockwave slams into Earth with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs. Mountains flatten. Forests ignite in an instant. Entire continents are blasted apart like sandcastles in a storm. The oceans, already boiling, lift into the air as superheated vapor, only to be torn away into space. Cities don't crumble, they evaporate. The shockwave tears the atmosphere clean off the planet in seconds, blasting it into the void. Without air, the last sounds fade. No wind, no fire, no screams. Just silence, absolute and perfect. Temperatures spike past 3,000 degrees Celsius. The crust melts. Skyscrapers, bridges, monuments, all dissolve into glowing rivers of liquid rock. Earth becomes unrecognizable, a molten sphere glowing like a dying ember. But the destruction isn't over. With the sun gone, its gravity disappears. Earth's orbit collapses. Our planet is thrown outward into the cold, empty dark, a drifting fireball, cooling one last time before freezing solid Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. All the planets scatter into chaotic new paths, wandering like orphaned worlds. Behind them, the sun's remains continue expanding, a dazzling supernova remnant. Swirling clouds of neon gas and cosmic dust grows larger each year. It glows for centuries, then millennia, a silent monument to the star that once gave us life, and eventually, the chaos settles. The scattered debris, the atoms of Earth, fragments of planets, dust from the sun, begin to drift together. Gravity takes over. New stars ignite. New planets form. A new solar system is born from the ashes of the old. Maybe billions of years from now, life will crawl out of these new worlds and look up at their sky, never knowing that their sun, their home, once came from the wreckage of ours. The end of Earth is not the end of everything. It's just the beginning of something else.